Hello everyone and welcome back to section 9. In this section we will go ahead and understand about tridents in Apache Storm. So we will talk about what are tridents, how to build a topology in trident, how to perform map, filter and aggregate function, how to perform the windowing operation, and how to perform joining and merging. So let's start with the first video. Let's talk about trident. So till now what we have done was we used to create spouts and we used to create bolts, and through spout and bolt we used to create our topology. And whenever we used to do that, of course our responsibility was always to create spout, bolt, we need to decide the grouping strategy, and also we need to take care of the fault tolerance. But what we need to think is there any way to abstract all these operations in a single class? Actually there's a way, and that way is through tridents. So tridents allows you to make your life easy by abstracting all the steps that we discussed about. So trident is basically a way through which you can perform the complete abstraction of all your steps, which includes the spouting and the bolting. And the basic abstraction layer of trident is stream. The streams ideally contains tuples, and you can apply all the complex operations like map, filter, join, merge, aggregation, windowing, and many more.